My name is Ishan Agnihotri, and I tried Shopify dropshipping for 7 days. Hey, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Ishan back here with another video. For all of you guys who don't know me, my name is Ishan Agnihotri. I'm a 16-year-old trader based out of Canada, and I usually make stock trading videos. But today, I got a whole different video for you guys. So as you guys might have seen by the thumbnail and my intro clip, I tried Shopify dropshipping for 7 days. That's right, a good solid 7 days. And guess what? I caught the Lambo, I dropped out of high school, and now I got a house in the hills. We're about to do a house tour next week, and my course is now linked down below in link in bio for only $10,000. So go cop it right now. Jokes aside, guys, dropshipping was pretty interesting experience, and in this video I'm going to go through exactly what I did, the product I chose, the website I launched, and exactly the amount of money I made Shopify dropshipping in 1 week. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. So I mostly dabble in the stock market, but I've been interested in Shopify dropshipping for a while now, and I had about $150 I was willing to spend dropshipping, so I decided to give it a try. I mean, according to the dropshipping gurus, within a week I should be getting thousands of dollars of sales, enough to buy a Lambo, a house in the hills, and to drop out of high school. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? So I did my product research according to the Shopify gurus. I went on Facebook, essentially scrolled through and found this product called the acupuncture pen, which I found pretty cool. I couldn't find the exact post, but it had like a couple thousand likes, a few thousand comments, hundreds of shares, and it was doing pretty dang good. And so I could tell, and it was advertised pretty heavily on their ads library, so I could tell it was a good product, and since it was marketed so heavily, so I decided that this product was going to be my go-to product. So at the time of me doing this dropshipping, it was actually going to be Cyber Monday and Black Friday. So I noticed that on Google Trends, it was actually starting to trend and it was actually doing pretty good overall. So I was hyped. I was ready to cop the Lambo. I was ready to drop out. And this was the killer product that was going to make me my millions. So I started designing the store. I created a good solid logo, called it Hive Shopper. Added a pretty cool image. I think it was cool. Added some pretty good things about why it was all good, why the people should buy it. Created a solid product page with that trust badge. Imported some reviews from Luke's, which are no longer available because I didn't want to be charged again monthly for something I wasn't advertising anymore. So wrote a pretty sick product description and everything seemed pretty good. My price was advertised pretty well. I thought it was pretty competitive with Amazon, and now all I had to do was create those killer Facebook ads. So I found this pretty cool website called Promo. This is not a sponsor, obviously. I found some pretty cool sick clips off YouTube. I inserted them. I put some text to try to get people to find my product interesting and hopefully buy it. And so I created the video, my ads were ready, the website looked pretty clean and fresh, and now I was ready to make those thousands. And all I had to do was launch the website and get my ads rolling right away. So I essentially created 3 CBO campaigns targeting people above the age of 35 who were engaged shoppers and that revolved around interests, namely about massage and pain. And so on day 1, this is not faked by any means, on day 1 I got 31 views and I was hyped. I was like, dang, 31 store visits? This is insane. But unfortunately, 0 sales. And so I killed the bad ad sets and duplicated the one that was really working the best. So day 2, I noticed that it started picking up a lot. The duplicated ad set that was doing well was really doing good along with its pre-duplicated. Oh yeah, that sounded better in my head. I'm sorry guys, but essentially the 2 ad sets which were doing good that I duplicated were doing really well, and I had 59 store visits that day. I remember just scrolling through my phone, refreshing every time. 59 was insane, and the amount of sales was $0. Yep, 0 sales, $0. That's unfortunate. Moving on to day 3, I was extremely hyped. I'd actually DM'd a fitness page on Instagram with a couple million followers, and they'd agreed to post an ad I sent them right up here for 24 hours plus link in bio for $60. I know I definitely feel like I got cheated off that and could have negotiated lower, but I was like, might as well give it a try. I mean, who really cares, right? at the end of the day, I'm about to cop the Lambo and the house in the hills. So I did it, and I got a solid 110 visits that day, and I was hyped. I was so excited. I couldn't believe it, and I was ready. I thought I got multiple sales, but at the end of the day, those $60 did not pay off, and your boy ended up with 0 sales again and down $120 in the hole. So at this point, I was honestly pretty sad and depressed. I had reduced the product price a bunch to, get it more competitive. And I thought maybe reducing the price would get a bunch of more sales. And I thought the hopes that Black Friday and Cyber Monday approaching would get people to purchase my product and buy it. But, that it didn't happen, and my measly $120 budget was blown. And I ended up with no Lambo, no house in the hills, and I killed the site and the ads. So I definitely learned a lot. I mean, starting my own e-com business was so interesting for sure. And so I definitely believe that the knowledge I've gained will tremendously help me in the future. And I definitely feel like I'm in a position now to help a lot of you out there. So if you guys haven't checked it out already, link in bio. My course for $10,000 is linked down below, where I go over how to start a successful e-com store and how to go from $0 to $0 in a matter of minutes. Check it out down below. So jokes aside, honestly, it was pretty sick. The few things I definitely will go over is what I personally found I could have done better was definitely have a bigger budget. $120, $150 is nowhere enough amount to start with. You definitely need a grand, maybe even more, to begin advertising. You definitely need to spend a lot more money on Facebook ads. I was spending about $5 to $15 a day on Facebook ads, plus the $60 I blew running an advertising ad on Instagram. And that really didn't do much for me, and I probably could have negotiated a better price. So definitely start with a bigger budget. Second, advertise longer. I definitely believe that my duplicated ad sets were starting to do a lot better. They were starting to pick up, and I didn't want to spend enough time gathering enough pixel data. I know the video title says 7 days dropshipping, but I only really realistically did it for 3 to 4 days, and I definitely should have kept advertising longer, because I believe the ads are starting to pick up, and if I just given my ads a little more time, maybe I could have copped the Lambo, and maybe I could have made those couple million. And lastly, do better research. Maybe the product wasn't the winner. Who knows? I mean, I thought, according to the Shopify gurus, that it was a pretty good product, but I guess it wasn't. And looks like I gotta do better research next time. So let me know down below what you guys think I did wrong and any tips, because I'm definitely interested in doing Shopify dropshipping again. It seems like a pretty cool business model, and definitely something I'd be keen on working on again. So I'll definitely be back next time with a bigger budget, with a better product, with better ads, with a better website, and I'm about to cop that Lambo for all you boys out there. We about to be in the hood, dripped in that Gucci and that swag. Don't worry, boys, I got you. So subscribe if you enjoyed the video, like, comment what you think. I appreciate it, guys. This was my 7 days dropshipping, and now check my link in bio for that course. Peace out, boys. Peace out.